Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to import your TRW custom toolbar into your CorelDRAW. So I'm working in CorelDRAW X8 right here. Anywhere up in this area in the toolbars, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to Customize, I'm going to go to Workspace, and then Import. Now, once you install the TRW Design Wizard onto your computer, your workspace will go into a folder. So you're just going to hit Browse. Under the Documents folder, you're going to click on the TRW Design Wizard folder. You're going to go to Toolbars, and I'm working in CorelDRAW X8, so I'm going to hit X8 and Open. And then I'm just going to hit Next, Next, Current Workspace, Next, and Finish. And that just imported the TRW Design Wizard custom toolbar. So now that my toolbar is in Corel, I need to pull it out and put it into the actual toolbar up top here. So to do that, you just go to Windows, Toolbars, and you'll see the TRW toolbar at the bottom here. It's going to bring it in as a floating window like this right here. Just grab it, move it right up to the top toolbar. You'll see a little gray bar going across the top. That means it's going to place it there. Let go, your toolbar is there, click on the logo, and it's going to open your TRW Design Wizard software. So I hope this video helps you out. If you do have any questions, shoot us an email, info@rhinestoneworld.com. Check out our Facebook page and our TRW YouTube channel for all your tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Later.